Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Radeon software and confirming Relive or the Capture tab is enabled. This is your recorder. Once done, assign a hotkey for instant replay and another for manual capture so you can clip mid-session without menus. Make sure the output folder has enough free space and select MP4 with a bitrate around 10 to 20 Mbps for a balance of quality and file size. This prevents dropped frames and speeds up editing later. Next, capture the action. Enable instant replay and set the duration you want. 30 to 180 seconds is typical because it continuously buffers gameplay so you can save retroactively. If you prefer, start a manual recording when something begins and stop it when done. That gives you full control of the segment. Once saved, open Radeon's trim editor to cut start and end points precisely, or note timestamps to speed up edits in your external editor later. Finally, export your clip using H.264 or H.265 depending on compatibility. Choose a bitrate that matches your upload target so you avoid re-encoding later. Make sure hardware encoding is active, use VCE or VCN on AMD cards to keep CPU usage low and reduce stuttering. If clips aren't saving, check hotkey conflicts, confirm the output drive has write permission and free space, and restart the software. That usually resolves capture failures fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.